Hi, I'm Retang Sebeka. I am a photographer and a director. I mostly work in the commercial space, but I shoot some fashion and some cool stuff here and there. So today we have this very cool project that we basically wrote in the third years for. It's a workshop, but it's also a passion project and a love project for me. And we are basically just going through the processes of what it takes to get an idea from your head into the reality, into actually shooting it. So yeah, it's pretty dope. Yeah, so I keep all of my work on my Instagram. That's at Retang_Sebeka. And that's where I put all of my stuff, like the most recent stuff that I did now with Siababa. We have 4 more projects upcoming with that, so please watch out. It's going to be a crazy month for me. Yeah, that's where you can see all my stuff.